Now, slope of the line through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. x1, y1, this x1, y1 and x2, y2 can be any 2 points. So the slope can be obtained using these 2 points, that is the coordinates of these 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we can have the slope of a line passing through any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in terms of the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. And now there comes 2 cases. So the angle made by the line can be any angle, and this angle will be lying between 0 and 180, or this angle theta is such that this theta is this 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180. And if theta is equal to 90 degrees, we know the slope is not defined. And then we divide this into 2 situations. One, theta less than 90, and the other case, theta greater than 90. So theta, in this case, theta lying between 0 and 90. In this case, theta lying between 90 and 180. That is acute angle, theta acute angle. Second case, theta obtuse angle. So consider the case 1. So case 1, theta is acute. Theta is acute. And now consider this line. So x-axis, y-axis, theta making angle, acute angle with the x-axis, positive direction of the x-axis. Now, we have any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 on the line. We need, or we find the slope of the line passing through 2 points, any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. And suppose we have this P is the point x1, y1, and there is Q, the point x2, y2. x2, y2. And draw PN and the QM perpendicular to x-axis and PR perpendicular to this QM. Perpendicular to this QM. And then this angle is also theta. This angle is also theta. And then the slope is tan theta. So we have this slope equal to tan theta, which is equal to, so consider this angle is also tan theta, and consider this triangle PRQ, which is right angle triangle. Which is a right angle triangle. So from this tan theta is equal to QR by PR, which is equal to this QR divided by PR. Now which is equal to, this QR is QM minus RM. QM minus RM. This QM is Y2. Y coordinate of this point Q, Y2, minus RM. RM is PN, which is Y coordinate of this point V, which is Y1. So this QR is Y2 minus Y1 divided by this PR. PR is NM. This PR is NM, which is, suppose this origin is O. This is OM minus ON. OM minus ON. OM is x coordinate of this Q, which is x2. ON is x coordinate of this P, which is x1. So this NM is this x2 minus x1. Therefore, slope is y2 minus y1 to x2 minus x1, that's all. Slope of this line passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2, or slope of the line where this x1 and y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points on the line is given by this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the slope. And now consider the second case, which is theta is obtuse. And now we can have, in that case, theta is obtuse. So consider the axis, x-axis, y-axis, and this line is this. This line. Theta is this angle, theta, which is obtuse. Greater than 90. Theta is obtuse. So in this case also, suppose this point is x1, y1, which is P, and this point is Q, x2, y2. So draw this PN, QM, perpendicular to x-axis, and PR, this PR perpendicular to this QM. Then the given angle is this. The line, the angle made by the line is this. And now suppose this angle is, say, some phi. This angle theta and this angle suppose phi. And this angle, in this triangle, this angle is also phi. And then slope is, the slope is tan theta. And this tan theta is this 180 minus this phi. Theta is 180 minus phi. Therefore, this can be taken as tan 180 minus phi. This 180 minus phi is theta. Tan 180 minus phi is minus tan phi from trigonometric result, minus tan phi. And this minus tan phi is minus this minus tan phi. This minus tan phi is equal to, this is minus tan phi is equal to, consider this triangle right angle, this is right angle triangle. Tan phi is equal to QR divided by PR. This QR divided by PR, which is equal to, this QR is QM minus RM. QM is Y2. Y2 minus RM is PN, which is Y1. So Y2 minus Y1. So QR is Y2 minus Y1 divided by. So this is equal to minus tan phi. There is minus here. Minus. Y2 minus Y1 divided by. Then PR. This PR is NM. NM is this ON minus ON. ON is x1, ON is x2, so divided by, so this is equal to minus O, y2 minus y1 divided by x1 minus x2, which is equal to, so this minus x1 minus x2 becomes, x1 minus x2 becomes x2 minus x1, so this is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in this case also, in the obtuse case also, this is slope tan theta. Tan theta is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So even though this line is making angle obtuse angle, slope is same. So for both acute and obtuse angle, the slope of the line is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. And this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 can also be taken as y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Means we can choose any point as x1 y1 and the other as x2 y2. The difference of the y coordinate divided by the difference of the x coordinate in the same order gives the slope of the line, and that's all. Okay.